Urban Ears is a collective out of Stockholm, Sweden, dedicated to amplifying the link between you and your music. Say hello to Zinken, an ambitious headphone designed for professional users or people who take their music seriously. Brought into the world by popular demand, we've spent time perfecting the recipe, ending up with a unique mix of useful features and high-quality sound, all wrapped up in one colorful Urban Ears package. The Zinken is not only pleasant to wear with its super foamy ear cushions, its softened highs and warm tones mean comfortable listening around the clock. But don't get too cozy with Zinken. It's built to withstand use and abuse, can be folded down and tossed into your bag, and is made from carefully selected materials, easy to keep fresh and clean. The microphone and remote on the cord enables two-way communication, and the coiled section extends, keeping you from destroying your kit. The inside is reinforced with Kevlar, which brings us to the 3.5mm plug, compatible with most music playing devices. But this is no ordinary headphone cord. The Zinken's patented turn cable comes with two plugs, one on each end, allowing you to easily switch from your device to your mixer, all thanks to the extra 6.3mm plug. As a bonus, the open socket lets a friend plug in, lets a friend plug in, lets a friend plug in to share your music through the Sound plug. All this in a headphone with a closed construction that keeps outside noise out and the music on inside your head. With a sound that we can proudly say is our best sound yet.
Oh.